Hello everyone, my name is Amber and I'm the Youth Services Assistant at the Boyle County Public Library. Welcome to How to Draw. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to draw a cat in the hat. Step 1. Make guidelines and draw a center oval. Step 2. Add the mouth to one side. Start by making a half circle that starts in the middle of the guidelines and comes down. Then add his bottom lip by drawing a small curved line that comes in towards the oval. Step 3. Add his eyes, nose, and hat rim. Step 4. Draw the top hat and the stripes. Draw a rectangle that has some curves and dents in it. Then add some stripes. Step 5. Time to add some details to his face. Add his ear, some fur, his brows, and some whiskers. Step 6. Draw the neck and shoulders. Step 7. Add his bow tie. Start with a circle and a line coming down that connects and is almost a triangle shape. Step 8. Time to color. Thank you all so much for watching. The next How to Draw will be on Saturday, March 20th at 1 p.m.